Hey folks, Adam here. I've got this. It's a REDTIGER dash cam, 4K front, 4K rear. This is absolutely perfect. You can zoom in and see license plates. You don't have to worry about lens flare. You can see crystal clear even with headlights coming at you, and this is an incredible device. So we got up at 4 a.m. this morning to be able to record some night footage to show you how crystal clear the night footage is. We got it in my car, and I absolutely love it. You can put a little SD card in there and record tons, but it does have some built-in memory, so I'm a big fan. So let's go ahead and check this out and kick it off right about now. We're gonna start with some footage that we recorded. Then we're gonna give you my push why you wanna pick this up, followed by a little bit of up close. All right, folks, check it out. All right, folks, so as you check out this footage, the dashcam boasts cutting-edge imaging capabilities with dual 4K resolution, employing dual-channel Sony IMX678 image sensors. Its front end processes video at an ultra-high frame rate of 60 frames per second for smoother footage, while the back-end Ethernet technology ensures accurate and complete image data transmission, resulting in the strongest imaging specifications available. This enables ultra-high definition images, as you see here, that get you all the full details, including license plates, and allows you to have detailed static zoom capabilities. Yeah, you can zoom right in. The device incorporates eMMC storage, providing approximately 400% improvement over SD card writing speeds. This translates to a writing speed of 150 megabits per second compared to standard cards, which are doing about 30. Furthermore, the eMMC offers a service life of about 10 years, which is longer than the typical lifespans of TF cards, offering reliable, fast, and long-lasting storage solution. This also contributes to the stable performance, preventing video loss in critical moments such as collisions. It's going to be real important if you have a collision that this has you covered. The enhanced night footage also ensures that you're going to be able to see everything perfect with that dual HDR Starvis 2 technology. Starvis night vision technology enhances the image, the light conditions. It effectively suppresses noise and improves brightness and clarity. You can see how clear even the night footage is. The HDR reduces reflection issues caused by illumination of car lights at night. This dash cam also features voice control with support of 12 voice commands, along with a touchscreen interface. It offers high-speed 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, providing a 4x increase in speed compared to the traditional 2.4 gigahertz. The device includes GPS, 24-hour park monitoring, that G sensor, so if there's any movement, shock type of thing, it automatically records. And it's got Wi-Fi and app connectivity, providing a comprehensive set of essential dash cam experience. And folks, as we show you some of the 4K footage here on my TV being played back, I gotta say, this is a fantastic device. It really makes a difference in my life, and it's gonna make a difference in your life. If somebody runs into you and then tries to say it's your fault, you can play back the footage, and I've had that. I had a lady, she ran into me at a red light. She was turning and she bumped the side of my car. And then she literally told her lawyer that I rear-ended her. I was able to pull the footage, they dropped the suit, and that mattered. So this thing paid for itself for me, and I think it's a really good investment for you. Folks, REDTIGER is a great brand, one that has you covered, and that 4K imagery can't be beat. It's absolutely beautiful scenery, and I love it, and I think you're gonna love it as well. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land. You know what? REDTIGER has you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern, so go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. This is a high quality product, great imagery, great rear camera, and you're gonna love it. Folks, what are you waiting for? Get to shopping. All right, folks, now that I've told you the specs and you've seen some driving footage, I do want to show you up close. Here's your resolution button. You can change the resolution. We currently have it set at 4K. You've got sound recording. You can turn on and off. Sometimes you want that off just for your own privacy when you're driving. Loop recording, you want 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute loops. I like that 1 minute because it's easier to find what you're looking for. So we're gonna leave it at that. The G sensor, how much motion for that G sensor. We have it pretty low right now, so we'll leave it accordingly. And the fatigue reminder, this is going to let you know when you're starting to be fatigued. Very easy and straightforward. There's your Wi-Fi connection, your 2.4, your 5 gigahertz. You can turn on and off the click sound. Your screensaver, I'm gonna keep that off. The voice control, and you can tell it things like lock the video, turn on Wi-Fi, turn on audio, etc. Very straightforward. We're gonna turn that off for now, and the mirror flip to where you can flip it depending on how you want it set up. Okay, that's for the rear camera, of course. And really easy to connect that rear camera, just that USB-C right there. So you're good to go. Now, if you are looking for a great product, this is a great option for you, and it's a great option for me, folks. You can see your playback options. Really a straightforward device. You can see I can watch my actual playback of me driving around this morning. Pretty straightforward, and it's even got sound built in, and you can go through your different options there. So very straightforward, very easy to use, and intuitive. I think that's important as well. So a really fantastic device. All right, folks, now let's go ahead and show you everything that's in the box. It's a REDTIGER CamGood 4K+4K Ultra Clear 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi and GPS with built-in 128 eMMC F77. Really exciting there. And let's look at the camera first. We've taken that back out of the vehicle so you can take a look at it. A lot of people like to see this up close portion of the video. You can see, you can go through the functions. You can turn it that way so you can see it. Easy press actual buttons, okay. Kind of forward back in memory. There's your power and our memory card right here. So we can easily take our video off of that. In fact, I'm gonna do that here in a moment. Very nice 4K lens and a big wide screen. Of course, it does come with the cabling to where you can plug it into your lighter or into a USB. I plugged mine into the USB-A of the vehicle. In addition, you have that rear camera, of course, the 4K lens, and that just is going to plug in very easily with the USB Type-C as well. Then you've got all of the accoutrement included, and I like the fact they give you the extra long cabling for the rear camera, additional adhesive sticks, these little adhesives to where the cabling will go in the right spot, and this tool for prying against the glass. Very nice there. So really straightforward. We also picked up the REDTIGER CamGood manuals included. It'll notify you of fatigue, the G sensor shock and automatically record, the 4K resolution, the loop recording into little 1-minute segments, whether to connect the hardwired kit, voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi status, car system status, voice recording status, the camera, etc. You can see all that right there, the user interface information. Actually really intuitive to use. Very happy about that as well. And then we have the additional wiring package included to hardwire it, so you don't ever have to worry about running it into a USB. So very smart stuff there. A great design and a cool and intuitive camera. And again, I got to tell you, this company is fantastic. I'm a big fan of the company. REDTIGER CamGood 4K+4K Ultra Clear 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Easy to understand. This is actually my second of these wonderful cameras. The resolution, fantastic. The quality, impressive. And yeah, you can write it right along the liner of the top of your vehicle if you're so inclined for that rear camera. Or you can just not install the rear camera. That's on you. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. You know, I love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? Get to shopping.